Can you go sit in your chair? You like your chair, TT? TT, are you done sitting in your chair?
I knew I couldn't do it without you.
Okay.
Wow.
See you later.
Want to give him a face?
Lily, want to say hi to Grandpa Bob?
Here,
Say hi to Rosa Maria? You just want to pick your nose?
make sure
Can you say hi real quick? No? Picking your nose isn't polite.
Good work, Max.
Can you say goodbye?
Oh,
Goodbye.